If not, that's cool too. Give me a call back if you can. If not, then I'll see you across the street. Take care. Bye.
Not inside the water, but right here. Come here. You see where the water's coming out like this?
There he is.
Hey, my handsome little
There he
man.
is. He's a good looking kid, man. Love the hair.
Yeah. He just got a cut. His first haircut. What's the matter? Dude, he recording?
I just upgraded it. This is underwater, bro. You can put it, bring it underwater.
Right here where he's at. See where he's
What was this? Didn't even get sick.
Like her.
I come home, I get a fucking 150. Weird.
Yeah, it could be the Puerto Rican in him.
This was last weekend.
Might be the Puerto Rican in him.
I know, right? He's accustomed to water.
The Puerto Rican is strong in you.
But he's got the Filipino temper, dude.
Does he?
Oh my god.
Oh, man.
Big time. He's rowdy.